Hey Mia, what's your name again?
My name is Mia, excited for our food trip.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangkok now, but from Chicago.
What do you do?
I'm a food blogger at travel sites.
Do you like unusual foods abroad?
Yes, love trying weird drinks and dishes.
What's your favorite strange snack?
Fried scorpions, they crunch so nicely.
Have you ordered live octopus before?
Yes, in Korea, wiggly and super fresh.
Ready for Thailand markets first?
Absolutely, street stalls have magic flavors.
What unusual drink there?
Coconut with chili, spicy and sweet twist.
We're here. Excuse me, one scorpion skewer?
Yes, crispy scorpion, mild or extra spicy.
Is it safe for beginners like me?
Totally safe, protein packed and tasty.
How much for two with sauce?
50 bahts. Dipping sauce is tamarind sweet.
Okay, and durian smoothie, please?
Durian shake coming. Stinky but creamy heaven.
It smells so strong. Why?
Like onions and custard. Love it or hate it.
I'm trying it. Tastes better than it smells, right?
Yes, creamy with ice. Order seconds now.
Any grasshopper wings nearby?
Next stall, fried golden. Garlic flavor best.
Spicy level for grasshoppers.
Medium spice or go wild with bird's eye chili.
Two grasshoppers, less spicy, please.
Got it, with sticky rice. Perfect combo.
Thanks. Now, snake blood wine?
Yes, fresh cobra. Boost energy, they say.
Next, Japan. Raw horse meat sashimi?
Basashi, yes. Lean, sweet, melts in mouth.
Where's the best basashi spot?
This izakaya. Order thin slices with ginger.
Is horse meat chewy or tender?
Super tender, fresher than beef usually.
Ordering one basashi set. Soy sauce side?
Hi, with wasabi. Small bites, please.
Natto next. Fermented soybeans slimy?
Yes, slimy but mixed with rice. Stringy fun.
How to eat natto without mess?
Stir vigorously. Add mustard. Texture grows on you.
Okay, natto and uni sea urchin, please.
Unique creamy orange, ocean butter taste.
Uni's so rich. More, please?
Double order with quail egg on top.
Fermented squid drink now?
Shiakara shot, salty, funky, brave souls only.
Small glass of shiakara first.
Tiny sip, pairs perfectly with sake.
Mexico time now. Chapulines. Grasshoppers again?
Yes, lime and chili, crunchy, spicy heaven.
With tacos or straight?
Both ways, tacos make them gourmet.
Chapulines tacos. Extra lime?
C, fresh lime squeeze, muy delicioso.
Escamoles now. Ant larvae butter?
Yes, caviar of Mexico, nutty and fatty.
Cooked or raw ant eggs?
Sautéed in butter, tastes like corn silk.
One escamoles tostada, please.
Con guacamole, rich and smooth combo.
Pulque drink, fermented agave.
Mildly boozy, slimy like yogurt, unique.
Sweet or sour pulque flavor.
Natural sour, add fruit for pineapple twist.
Pulque with strawberry mix.
Perfect, refreshing after spicy ants.
Hardest order so far.
Thoughtful, live squid ink pasta, inky black mess.
Did it stain your teeth?
Yes, but flavor was ocean deep bold.
Best unusual drink overall.
Proudly, cobra blood, tingly, mythical energy boost.
Thanks for guiding these orders.
My pleasure. Food bonds us worldwide.